Hi, this is Luke with the Chef's Academy, and I'm here to show you how to make beer-battered hush puppies. First, we have some beer. The original recipe called for milk. I'm making a substitution, no big deal. I'm going to add a little bit of bacon fat. If you don't have bacon fat, you can use butter, you can use lard, you can use regular vegetable oil. I'm going to heat this up. I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients. I've got the cornmeal. I've got masa or corn flour. I've got a mixture of all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a little Cajun seasoning. Scallions and garlic. I'm going to mix that just a little bit. Then I've got 2 eggs that I'm going to add in. I'm going to mix this well. Once this is done, the beer will be ready. The bacon fat will be melted through. Then I'm going to add the 2 ingredients together. I'm going to put it in the cooler to rest for 1 hour. So now I've got a dry pasty meal. To this, I'm going to add the hot beer. Give that a mix gently. Once it's combined, I throw it in the cooler for 1 hour. We've got the rested batter. The deep fryer is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to drop my baskets down. If I don't, the hush puppy will stick to the bottom of the basket. I don't want to make these too big. So I've got a tablespoon scoop. I'm going to gently start lowering the hush puppies into the fryer. I want to make sure they're all uniform. If I have larger hush puppies and smaller hush puppies, they're going to cook at different times. Some may be raw, some may be burned up. In the South, you'll see this movement with the fingers. It increases the speed quite a bit. We're not in that much of a hurry. So I've got about 8 to 10 in the basket. It'll take 3 to 5 minutes. Once they start floating, they're going to start turning brown. They're going to be ready. One thing, I'm going to take one and sacrifice it to make sure it's not raw inside. You can use any kind of home deep fryer. One thing you want to avoid is overfilling the bucket. If you have too many hush puppies, the temperature of the oil drops and you're going to have an inferior product. One thing you can do is help out by keeping fully submerged the hush puppies with another basket. Okay, when these puppies are done, we're going to lift them from the grease. We've got a little paper towel. Here's a sacrifice, and we're looking pretty good on the inside. So this has been Luke with the Chef's Academy, showing you how to make some dynamite beer-battered hush puppies.